We are pleased to show you the 2017 Sonic. The taut, strong body lines and powerful stance of Chevy Sonic allude to the power you'll find under its hood. Throw a little extra power into the mix with the available turbocharged engine. So where's the sweet spot? Behind the wheel, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, Bluetooth, keyless start, FWD, compass, remote keyless entry, rear view camera, seats, heated driver and front passenger. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.